different institutions.
Bwanyuma y'ekitongole kya karishorisho wa government kucondooza kikashanga ngu ihangana rufeerwa sente z'orukurenga trillion 10 buri mwaka ubwo hati batandikire ihuriro yo kubangura abeegi omu mashomero hamwe n'amatendekero g'ahaiguru n'ekigendererwa ky'okugunjura abeebembezi barungi ba nyensya. Erizo akurukorwa mu kitongole ekibebembirwe anu muhirwa ry'omuhwezi wa karisharisho bagiraho ekiganiro ky'omutano n'abeegi ba burengye bw'izooba ahari Bishop Stewart University.
Nabwo cy'abana bato abana bato azilonga zino basagamba nursery school egi message ngo kumawora director yabagambira ne ya buri omwe already twine handbook ejo eriyo mitendera ne fitting every size, okay, about kindergarten, the youth, and then there are those who are youth but also in university.
You deceive them. You say now your parent has never gone to school. They have sent us for a book called the Trypanosomiasis Accountability Executive Handbook. The parent doesn't understand. He pays money for the Trypanosomiasis Accountability Handbook, which is never there. So that you bring money to your girlfriend. And then you are there, you say, you administration, you are corrupt. You are also corrupt.
Okura bariya b'obujunanizibwa okwera bagenzi babo hamwe no kutandikaho ebibiina by'okurwanisa obushomankuzi omu mashomero gabo nizo zaba ziri enshonga nkuru mu kiganiro eki.
It is not only a moral issue but also an economic one. On the economic front, it has been realized through research that corruption costs us a cost of 10 trillion, like I already alluded.
They say the inspector of government, the staff, you are being paid to do this work. No, we are being paid to lead the war. We are the captains, we are the general. You must participate in this fight. You cannot win this fight unless you participate.
Okurugirira hari anu muhirwe ori omuhwezi wa karisharisho wa government ekigendererwa kyabo ky'okutandikira omu mashomero ehuriro egi n'okwenda ngu obushomankuzi burwanisibwe omu ihanga.
Tukakora cost of corruption study, the report about release 2021 on the causes of corruption. N'eki kikureetera abantu bayinyigira omu byenguzi. Twashanga kugira ngo abantu babataine konka omurro abazaire mutuyamba haka abana banyu mureke kubasigira abashomesa mukatekateka ngo abashomesa ngo barabegetse ngaha umwana no wawe nitwa abazaire nangwa hino kutu bire haba nafaho emicwe akati mujungura jangu charity begins at home emicwe mbagine itandikiro haka.
Ekiganiro kyayitabwamu abeebembezi babeegi b'amashomero ga siniya hamwe n'amatendekero g'ahaiguru okuruga omu kyanga kya Ankole. Ahabwa TV West ndeera akiza.